Sticky Notes is one of the simplest apps on Windows, but it can also be one of the most useful. Whether you're tracking tasks, saving ideas, or organizing your day, this guide will help you master sticky notes from the basics to the best productivity tips. Start by opening Sticky Notes from the Start menu. If you want your notes to sync across devices, open Settings inside the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. This lets your notes stay backed up and available wherever you sign in. Select the New Note button to create your first note. Type reminders, meeting notes, shopping lists, or anything you want to remember. You can click anywhere inside a note to edit it at any time, and your changes are saved automatically. To keep everything organized, use different note colors for different categories. So resize notes by dragging their edges, move them anywhere on your desktop, and keep related notes close together. If you have many notes, open the Notes list to quickly find the one you need. Use short checklists instead of long paragraphs, review completed tasks regularly, and delete notes you no longer need. You can also copy and paste information between notes, making it easy to organize projects or collect ideas. Keep Sticky Notes updated through the Microsoft Store to get the latest improvements. If you ever experience problems, try repairing the app before resetting it. And remember, signing in with your Microsoft account keeps your notes synchronized across supported Windows devices, and that's everything you need to master Sticky Notes. With just a few simple habits, you can turn this lightweight app into a powerful organization tool for work, school, and everyday life. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.